In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google AI Studio as a desktop app. By the end, you'll have Google AI Studio running in its own window, just like a native application, so it's easier to access and stays out of your crowded browser tabs. First, open your preferred Chromium-based browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your computer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. In the address bar, type iastudio.google.com and press enter to go straight to Google AI Studio. Give the page a moment to fully load. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so the site recognizes your account and features. Next, move your mouse to the very top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main browser menu where you'll find Tools and Site Controls. If you're on a smaller screen, you might need to maximize the window to see all menu items. Inside that menu, look for the section that includes options like Cast, then open the Save and Share options. This is where Chrome and Edge group controls related to saving and installing web content. If you don't immediately see it, scroll the menu or hover for the submenu to appear. From there, choose Install Page as App. This tells the browser to install Google AI Studio as a progressive web app, so it launches without the standard browser interface. You'll see a confirmation dialog with the site name and icon. Click Install to confirm. The browser will create the app and launch it in its own clean window. You should also see a new shortcut added to your applications list, and depending on your operating system, it may place a shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu or App Launcher automatically. If the install option doesn't appear, refresh the page and try again. Make sure you're not in private or incognito mode, and double check that you're using a supported browser. Sometimes simply closing extra tabs helps the menu render correctly. Once installed, you can pin the app to your taskbar or dock for quick access, and it will open separately from your regular browser sessions. That's it. You've installed Google AI Studio as a desktop app with just a few clicks, making it faster to launch and easier to focus when you're building and testing prompts.